Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So I am back today, and first I'm going to do a plan with me in my mini dashboard homebody layout, and I'm going to use the Empowering Woman sticker book. So I did pre-choose some stickers, and I'll show you, since I've been on my little time off here, that February was a complete bust. So I decorated this week in February, then I didn't do the 10th through the 16th. I decorated, I think I did a video on this one, the 17th through the 23rd. And then the current week here, I'm filming on Thursday the 27th. I didn't do anything for this mini. So I'm hoping for March that I can kind of get back to my normal routine here. I tried week before last, but that didn't quite work out for me, so I'm just kind of going with the flow here, and hopefully I'll be back on track for March and doing my regular videos. So I pre-chose some stickers here from the Womankind. I basically wanted to use these pretty florals and just some blacks. So let's get started here. Now, when I pre-chose these stickers, I was actually planning on filming on this past Monday. Oh gosh, already off the bat have ripped the sticker. But I was planning on filming on Monday, and that didn't happen. And then Tuesday didn't happen, Wednesday didn't happen. So I really can't remember what exactly I had planned for this spread. So y'all bear with me as I try to remember, because what I do to give you guys a little surprise whenever I do my spreads, I plan my stickers on the wax paper, but then once I've got them planned out, I just kind of rearrange them so that you guys can't see exactly what I've got planned to do, and then I have to try and remember what the plan was. So let me grab my whiteout here, because I am going to white out this focus box, because I do want to put a floral down here, and there's a dog hair in it. Hashtag dog mom. Okay, and then this is a sticker I just ripped, but I'm just gonna go with it and use it. Actually, I'm gonna cut off some of the stickers, so I think I'm gonna place the part that I ripped. I think I'm just gonna finish it off. How about that? Place the part that I ripped over here on the edge, and then I'll just finish cutting it when I cut the rest of my stickers. And then let's lay these kind of down here. I'm just trying to decorate this corner to begin with, because I do want to put my quote down here. So this is the quote, and this is pretty much sums up my life for the last month. It says, "Some days she has no idea how she'll do it, but every single day it still gets done." Let me know in the comments if you can relate to that, because I think that is just mom life in a nutshell. Pretty much everyday mom life. And I can't tell if my sticker's crooked or if the writing is crooked. That looks pretty crooked to me. Let's try that again. So I went yesterday and actually treated myself and got my nails done, just trying to feel a little better. We'll see if I can keep them up. I used to get my nails done all the time. This is the pink and white ombre. So, because I don't like the pink and white, like where you can see the obvious white. I've never really been a fan of that. So I kind of like this pink and white ombre. So we'll see if I can stick with it and keep them filled in instead of having to do them myself. All right. So I got my bottom corner done there. Now I may come in and fill in with some more flowers here. I'm not sure yet. We'll see as this goes. So I am going to save my little scraps here, just in case I need to use them somewhere else. And then what else did I have planned? I got these black headers out of my Colorful Boxes sticker book, or these black boxes. I'm going to use them as headers. So I am going to white out to buy errands and important, just like I normally do. And then we'll put these up here. These boxes are kind of big for the mini, but I always just kind of make them work. So let's see if I can get these lined up pretty well straight. And of course, my dogs are outside and they're harassing the pig again, so I can hear her screaming. So if you hear a pig that's angry, she's very antisocial. Nobody's hurting her. She just doesn't like to be bothered. And my dog thinks it's a funny game to bother the pig. So anyways, okay, there's my headers. Now I am going to still, I got this one, got a wrinkle in it, but I'm going to use this as to buy. This will be to do. This will stay important, but the only reason I cover it up is just so that my headers all match. I'm going to grab my tweezers because I do want to use these little bullet points out of the Womankind, or not Womankind, Empowering Woman sticker book. I want to use them for my important here, and this is just basically to bring some of all of these colors in other places on my spread. So we're just going to put these down here, and I really do hope that I can get back to normal with everything. So we still don't have any news on Gannon's whereabouts or what's going on with the case, but I do appreciate your guys' prayers and concerns. So many of you have reached out and checked on me. It's just been an emotional roller coaster, pretty much. I'm good friends with Gannon's grandparents, so my husband and I spend a lot of time over there. And for those of you who don't know, Gannon is an 11-year-old. He is missing from Colorado Springs. He was staying there with his dad. His mom is down here, or lives down here in South Carolina. She is in Colorado right now. But Gannon's family has been basically my family for the last 20 years. So we appreciate all of your guys' prayers and concerns for Gannon as the search and investigation continues to find out what happened and where Gannon is. So I appreciate your guys' prayers and you're checking on me. I am feeling a little better. So I did go, this is maybe a little personal, but I'm being transparent here. I did go see my doctor, and I'm on Effexor. So maybe I shouldn't even be telling you guys these things, but I'm sure there are some of you guys who can totally relate. But I'm on Effexor, and so we did increase my dosage a little bit to kind of just help me with my anxiety and depression while all of this is going on. So I am feeling better, but I do appreciate every one of you who have reached out and checked on me and who continue to pray for Gannon and his family. So this little part here, or what I just did the whole time I was talking, I just like to decorate my corners. So I've got these two corners here decorated, and then I do use this section as dinner plans, just like it says. But I saw this cute little header sticker in, actually in the Planner Babe mini sticker book. So there's tons of these headers back here. And I just grabbed this one because it just brings in this kind of greenish, bluish, I don't know what color that is. But it brings it in and ties it all together. So I just thought it would be cute to cover up dinner plans, even though I do use it for dinner plans. And it just says, Dare, Dream, Do. And then pretty much what I'm going to do now is just come in. I guess my camera is crooked. Maybe not. My pages look crooked. I'm just going to come in with some of my black boxes. And this is working. The actual boxes over here on the days is working for me in my mini, because I don't write a whole lot in my mini planner. But I was doing it in my dashboard layout, and I found out that I feel like I don't have enough room to write everything when I use boxes on my daily section in my classic size. So I've kind of changed that up, and I'm not really doing that anymore in my classic. So let's see, black, 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 black. I think I'm going to do Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday. And these came out of the Empowering Woman sticker book, and they have like little white dashes on them. But I just want to do, since I've got black on this page, I want black on this page as well. So I'm just going to kind of center these in my boxes here. I put too many on my fingers. Just to kind of decorate the page, and I like to stagger these every other one. And then I'm just going to come in and fill in with some of these flowers as well, just to make this pretty. And it's just always, to me, it is easier to pick up and write in a planner if it is pleasing to my eyes and pretty and fun. So flowers are fun to me. I love flowers in my planners. Okay, now you'll see, like, on my wax paper, I've got all these little pieces of stickers. This is where I did a spread before, and I actually had already cut these and then didn't even use them. So always save your sticker scraps so you can use them later. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in with this little slice. This is just a piece of a flower. If I can get it off my wax paper. See, it's already cut there. And I'm just going to go on the edge of my box here, just to kind of decorate the box just a little bit. And I have more, so let's see. Here's another one that's already been cut. And I'm going to put that one on Saturday. Actually, it's not cut very straight, so I'm going to go ahead and straighten that up. I don't know what I was doing, but, you know, I can't cut in a straight line anyways. So we'll put this one on the edge of Saturday. Then I think I'm going to, this one has not been cut yet, so I'm just going to cut it on the edge here and put it on Friday. And I hope this is still recording, because my mirroring software has just quit on me, and I hate that. Technology is your best friend until it stops working. All right, now I think, do I want to put this here? Yeah, I think I am going to put this on this side. I'm going to have black lines showing behind it, like this black line, but I'm not, it doesn't bother me. All right, now one thing, I do have this little piece left over here from this side. This is actually the piece that I ripped, and I think I might want to just kind of do this corner down here too. Let's just see how it's going to look. I really hope you guys can see all this, because I can't see on my screen. It's frozen. I don't know what I'm showing you. I do have this flower too. I might as well just use them all, huh? So let's grab this. Put this one in the corner here. And then we'll put this one down here. So yeah, there's a lot of flowers. Excuse me. A lot of flowers in the spread, but I like flowers. Flowers make me happy. And then I do have this little scrap here that maybe I can use as well. So let's try that. If I can get all my little pieces off. So maybe, sorry guys, maybe we'll put this one right here just to decorate this corner. Yeah, I think that's cute. Okay, so the only thing I didn't do here on camera is fill in my headers on this page, but I'll do that off camera once I take my pictures for Instagram and my thumbnails. So I used everything. Now I'm not going to save these little tiny scraps. I think that can be pretty much done with. So let's see here. Yeah, let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. I believe I'm going to call this one done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. So this is it. I think this is very pretty. I've tied all my colors in together. I've got all my colors on both pages, my blacks included. So this is it. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.